Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy T. Back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Feel like a minute since I've unboxed a beater box, man. Today I got a $640 box from Soul Supremacy. Kind of excited about it. Kind of not excited about it. Been seeing a lot of other YouTubers and beater box members get their box, and it haven't been looking too good lately. So I don't know what to expect in this one, man. I don't have too much out there, just 640 bucks. I say it's not like it's not a lot. It is a lot, but there's way more expensive boxes than this is what I'm trying to say. If you're new to the channel, man, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box. We buy them every week from a company called Soul Supremacy out in California. Probably the best in the business, especially when it comes to doing mystery boxes. Don't know what's inside of it. Don't know conditions, sizes, anything. It's a complete mystery. Just for the new people who might have stumbled up on this video. We just gonna jump right in, man. Like I said, I've been seeing a couple of other people get their boxes and haven't been too happy with it. So I don't know what to expect in this box, man. First off, we got a good sign. All the shoes come with boxes. Get this big box out the way. You guys know from the box what we have here. This is a size 13. We got the all red 12s. Never seen this shoe in hand. I used to think that this top part was suede. That's actually leather. It's actually a decent leather too. These are not dead stock. Not dead stock at all. But they are in pretty good shape. I don't have that daylight coming in, man. Your boy almost had a ring light too. Had a ring light and the seller flaked out on me. So I'm just gonna have to go ahead and order one so you guys can see the shoes better. Till then, just struggle with me. Size 10.5. Focus. Size 10.5. This thing ain't gonna focus. We got some Black Cat 6s. A lot of people hated this shoe when it came out. All the perforated marks on throughout the whole shoe. These are not dead stock. And have some gum on the bottom. Black Cat 6s, size 10.5. A good size. I don't know about the shoe though. I know these are pretty hard to see right now. And from the looks of it, unless one is inside, I only have one lace lock in the box. I don't hear another one floating around. So I'm guessing these only gonna come with one lace lock. Size 10.5. Jordan 2 5Y. Everybody's been getting these shoes. And so we have the Quad 54s, dead stock. Size 5Y. Get that out the way. I kind of figured I was gonna be getting that this week. Everybody who I've been watching been getting those. All these shoes are Jordans. That's a good sign. We got a size 10. Tell from the box what it is. Jordan 3, size 10. These are alright. Sport blue, or I want to say that's Motorsport 3s. I can't even think of it right now. These are not dead stock, but they are easily a 9 out of 10. No paint cracking in the midsole. Whoever had these took really good care of them. It's actually not a bad 3 to me. I know it's not a hyped up 3. Jumpman on the back. It does have the hang tag in the box. Size 10. Another size 10. Another Retro 3. Crimson 3s. Yeah, oh, infrared 23s. That's what these are. infrared 23s. These look pretty good, pretty clean, just like the other ones. Size 10 also probably came from the same seller. Show you guys both of them. Pretty clean. Size 10.5 on those, or size 10 on those. Let me make sure I'm telling y'all the right size, man. Size 10 on those, just like the other ones. So it's not looking too bad for a 640 box. I mean, I ain't seen nothing spectacular yet. All of them come with the boxes, so that's a good thing. Size 10 again. Jordan 6 boxes, you can tell. And we got the Sport Blue 6s. I'm pretty sure all these came from the same person. Size 10 on these. Pre-owned. Check out the bottoms. I know a lot of people hated this shoe just due to the leather quality on them. Was when Jordan brand did not care. 2014, I believe these were released in. And that leather is just like plastic on them. It's a dope colorway. I mean, simple colorway, but the materials they used was just, I feel like that's when the shoe game started to shift a little bit. Size 10. I got an old Nike box and I got a new Nike box. Let's do the new Nike box. Size 6.5. I don't even know why I waited, why I even debated. I got two of these things. 6.5. The Q54s again. Dead stock. I mean, dead stock shoes are easy to move. 6.5 isn't a horrible size, but man, Soul Supremacy unloaded all these on everybody this week. They must have had a bunch of them. They probably thought they was gonna shoot up in value. And I got a size 5, so this is the kid size, Jordan 1. Got a big hole in the box right here. New Love ones, I believe these is called. I've had these before in adult sizes. Pretty good condition. Check out the bottom. Bottoms don't look too bad for a kid shoe. Whoever had them took pretty good care of them. Size 5. I don't know what the value of these are, but I know ones hold their value pretty well. So we'll see. Size 5 wide, man. I'm confused on this box. I got 3 kid sizes. All of them come with the boxes. Some of the boxes are damaged though. I don't know. We'll see how Soul do us after they complete that move. I don't know if I should be happy, mad, or sad about this box, man, but it is what it is, man. 640 bucks. I'm pretty sure I'll at least, you know, make a few bucks off of it, but other than that, man, nothing super spontaneous in that box, nothing super hyped up or nothing. But man, I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully have some more videos out to you guys soon. I've been sick a little bit and working, so just trying to stay consistent with getting this stuff out, man. I'm gonna try to stay consistent with getting it out. And I need to get some lighting for y'all before I see it in the comments, man. I already know it's dark in here. So I'm gonna get up out y'all face. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. Instagram, Twitter, eBay, everywhere at TGOTSOLE. And DM me or email me if you see anything in this video you want, and we can make something happen. I'm out. Peace.